Few seeds, you have already made a pot of soup, and you can eat it for like 1 month.
Nigerians normally name their soup according to 3 factors. Number 1, the vegetable used in making the soup. For example, afang soup, which got its name from the afang leaf used in making it. Number 2, the thickener used in making the soup. For example, ogbono soup, which got its name from the ogbono seeds used in preparing the soup. Now, the third factor is the name of the people who own that food. For example, Ofe Achi, which is known as the best soup prepared by the Owerri people in Imo State. The food I'm about to show you is named after the thickener used in preparing it. This thickener is called Achi. And today you are going to see how the people of Imo State prepare their Achi soup. Let's go. Ofe Achi is among the most popular soups eaten by the Igbo people in the eastern part of Nigeria.
Achi is a sacred tree. You understand? You can't find it anyhow. You can walk around the whole village now, you will not see Achi tree. But any place it is, everybody knows that this is where Achi tree is.
It is prepared with ground Achi seeds, which is one of the main soup thickeners in Nigeria.
Everywhere the Achi tree is always very clean, no? Because the seed is very small. When it falls, you might not see it. So the place is always very clean.
Though it is eaten mostly by the Igbos and some parts of Akwa Ibom and Cross River State, it is also eaten by many other tribes in Nigeria where it is known by different names and is prepared in different ways.
Ofe Achi is a common soup in Igbo land.
Okay.
You understand? But different people have different ways of cooking it. But let me not say ways. Different vegetables that they add.
Okay.
But I think that's the only difference there.
Okay.
You understand? But in Imo State here, we normally use oha leaf.
Okay, oha leaf. That makes it Ofe Oha.
No. Ofe Achi is different from Ofe Oha. When you say Ofe Oha, Ofe Oha is the head that they use now.
That's cocoyam.
Cocoyam.
So when you cook Achi with oha, it is Ofe Achi.
Ofe Achi, yes.
But when you cook oha with cocoyam, that's ede. It is Ofe Oha.
Yes, because Achi, you can use different vegetables to cook Achi.
Okay.
You understand? But whatever you use to cook it, Ofe Achi is Ofe Achi.
Like what and what vegetable?
You can use okazi, like Abia State people, they use okazi. You can use bitter leaf.
Okay.
So, but oha is the main leaf that they use to cook Achi soup.
In Imo State.
Imo State, yeah.
The seeds are known to possess lots of health benefits like boosting immunity, reducing blood glucose, and it is also believed to fight cancer. Today I have come to Imo State, which is one of the major Igbo-speaking states in the eastern part of Nigeria, to see how they prepare their Achi soup.
I think the gods of our land used Achi tree to bless us. You understand?
Okay.
So even if you don't have money, you can just go to Achi tree, stay there for some time. You must pick the one that you can use to cook.
Okay.
Few seeds, you have already made a pot of soup. And you can eat it for like 1 month. I'm serious because when you wake up in the morning, the soup will become thick.
Every morning?
You have to add water.
Okay.
You understand? When you add water, the volume will go up. You will eat for that moment. When you go to farm and come back, it's not even daybreak. When you go to farm and come back, the soup will be, before you warm it, you must add water. And the more you add water, the more it. Sometimes they used to wash it off because they are tired of eating it.
Wow.
So people, that's why they can just go to the bush, see the Achi tree, pick the seed. If you buy 200 naira Achi in the market, you cannot use it to cook soup.
Are you serious?
Because you will not finish it. So whatever you have around you, whether see oha is everywhere.
Okay.
You understand? Oha tree everywhere. If you go to the back, you will see bitter leaf. You understand? So whatever you have around you can use it to put it inside that place. You already have your soup.
Wow.
Let's go and see
All right, guys. All right, guys. It's time to go and see how the Imo State people prepare Achi soup. The ingredients you need include the Achi seed. You will need to soak it for a few hours, peel off its outer coat and pound it to a powder like this. You also need protein of your choice, oha leaves, any type of dry fish, stockfish, ogiri or fermented castor seed, crayfish and palm oil. Start by picking the oha leaves, after which you set it aside. Wash your meat and put the meat into your cooking pot. Add some salt, seasoning cube and chopped onions. Mix very well and put the meat on fire to cook till 80% done, after which you set it aside. Now soak your stockfish with hot water for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, dilute with some cold water and wash your stockfish into a cooking pot. Add some water and salt and put the pot on fire. After 5 minutes, pound and add your dry pepper to the pot. Also add some palm oil and more water. Cover and bring to a boil. After another 5 minutes, pound and add your crayfish into the pot. Also add your ogiri, dry fish and your cooked meat. Cover to continue cooking. As the soup is cooking, add some water to your achi and mix very well. This is done to prevent clumping of the achi. After mixing, add the achi into your soup. Also add salt to taste. Cover and allow the soup cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, wash and add your oha leaves. Stir very well and cover for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, your achi soup is ready.
Alright guys, so here we have the achi soup. Achi soup is looking very fine, you know. It's looking like typical oha soup to me. So let's just taste it and know if it's going to be the same. Oh wow. Wow, wow. This soup is wonderful, guys. It's creamy, it's easy to swallow. There's the taste of oha is there. It's filled with flavors, like it's a mixture of flavors. And then there's a distinct taste that this achi gives to the soup. I feel like it's a little bit sweet and nutty. It has a nutty taste to it. It's similar to akbarata soup. There is one soup I ate in Ebonyi State. They call it akbarata soup. This soup looks like and tastes like akbarata soup. There is this nutty taste accompanying the soup that I love. I love that nutty taste. Oh, I love it so much. So this soup is actually very wonderful. If you watch this video to this point, you can prepare this soup and see what I'm talking about. And also, I love the taste of the ogiri. That's a fermented castor seed that they put inside this soup. Overall, this soup is wonderful, and I would like you to one day try it.
You see how thick the soup is?
Yeah, it's not that thick now.
Okay.
It's a bit, not watery, but it's not that thick.
Before you step out to go and buy water and come back, I promise you this. That's why they call it sakpa soup.
Okay.
Even the more you eat it, it gets thicker. You understand? The more you leave it, it gets thicker.
But this soup is wonderful.
That's one thing about the soup.
The soup is wonderful. Alright guys, so with this we have come to the end of today's video. If you love this video, like, share and subscribe. And always remember, eat to live while I live to eat. I am Mr. Epic and I will see you on the next video.